Hello everyone, student. Now let's start the exercise 5.1 from the book ML Agrawal. Question number 31. First I am taking that. Express in the standard form a plus iota b. I think that no need to say more, that everything is clear, that formula सब कुछ आपको क्लियर हो गया. पुट कर दीजिए. ये आपका क्वेश्चन है. दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू अरेंज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ a plus iota b. आपको आ गया होगा. देखिए iota स्क्वायर मीन दैट -1. iota power 4 means what will be that. इसको अरेंज कर लेते हैं ऐसे. दिस वे वी कैन राइट दैट iota स्क्वायर प्लस iota पावर 4 प्लस iota पावर 4 प्लस 2 प्लस iota पावर 4 प्लस 3. ठीक है. 4k प्लस 1 4k प्लस 2 4k प्लस 3 बताए थे हम फॉर्मूला. सो यू हैव टू यूज दिस वे. 1 प्लस iota स्क्वायर प्लस iota क्यूब. Put the value here. Iota square means -1. That will be -1. Iota power 4 means 1. Then here what will be that? Iota power 4 means 1, but here iota is square. So what will be here? ऐसे लिख दे. नहीं समझ में आया? ठीक है. Here iota power 4 means 1 and here what will be? Iota cube whole upon 1c. Iota square means -1. Iota cube mean that what will be? Minus iota that. Yeah. Now this cancel. Iota square means -1 and iota cube mean that minus iota. So this is iota upon this cancel become that minus iota, right? Take the minus, so we can write 1 plus iota upon iota. Minus minus cancel हो जाएगा. See, in denominators having the iota, we have to remove this by multiplying by iota. What will be here? That multiply by iota, that will be iota plus iota square upon iota square, right? Iota square value what will be? That will be equal to iota -1 upon -1, right? Or we can write here, देखो माइनस विल गो अप, सो इट विल बी, दिस विल बी माइनस एंड दिस विल बी प्लस. ठीक है. साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. सो वी कैन राइट 1 माइनस आयोटा दैट. सो दिस वाज द दिस इज द रिजल्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ a प्लस आयोटा b. और वी कैन राइट दैट a प्लस आयोटा b. अब यहाँ माइनस है तो प्लस 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 1 प्लस ब्रैकेट -1 इंटू y मीन दैट इज अंडरस्टूड दैट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ a प्लस आयोटा b. ठीक है. This was the question. Now student, next questions, one more questions. So next question 32. First find the multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3i. About the inverse, multiplicative inverse के बारे में बता चुका हूँ. What will be multiplicative inverse of x? That will be 1 upon x. Mean that we have to select the number by which we multiplied in the given number. Result should come 1. आपका रिजल्ट कितना आना चाहिए? 1 आना चाहिए. 2 minus 3 iota, इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स क्या हो जाएगा? 1 upon 2 minus 3 iota, right? So multiplicative inverse, but that we have to write always in the standard form a plus iota b. So multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3 iota is 1 upon 2 minus 3 iota, but have to write into a plus iota b. 2 minus 3 iota we have to multiply by the conjugate of this 2 plus 3 iota. ठीक है. 2 minus 3 iota we have to multiply by conjugate of this, so that will be 2 plus 3 iota, 2 plus 3 iota. So if you multiply, your result will come 2 plus 3 iota a plus b, a minus b, that is a 4 minus 9 iota square. That iota square value what will be? minus 1. So you can write here 2 plus 3 iota upon 4 plus 9, right? So that will be equal to 2 plus 3 iota upon what? 13. Now separate it. 2 upon 13 plus 3 upon 13 iota. So this is in the form of a plus iota b. Concept is clear, that very clear, very easy question was that. So now again taking the next question. Now question number 34. Express the complex number this in the form of a plus iota b, number 1 question. Also find the conjugate, number 2nd question, and modulus, number 3rd question. There are three parts having in this question, that so one by one we have to solve. First we have to convert this into a plus iota b. How can convert that? Look here, 5 plus 4 iota upon 4 plus 5 iota. By which number we have to multiply by? We have to multiply by its conjugate. The denominator का conjugate से multiply करना है. So what will be here, that 4 minus 5 iota upon 4 minus 5 iota. Yes, what I did, multiplying by conjugate of the denominator. Now then a plus b, a minus b. First we multiply numerator. 5 4 ja 20 minus 25 iota. Then 4 4 ja 16 iota minus 4 5 ja 20 iota square upon a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square, that is 4 square means 16 and minus 25 iota square, right? Now simplify that. Iota square means minus 1. Here also we have to put the minus 1. So we can write this 20 minus 16 minus 25, that will be minus 9 iota. And here what will be? Minus 1. So minus minus plus, that became the 20 whole upon 16 plus. Why plus here written that? Because iota square is equal to minus 1, minus minus plus became that here 25. 20 plus 20, how much will be? That will be 40 minus 9 iota whole upon. Add is that will be equal to 41. That, yeah, that is 41. That separate it will be equal to 40 upon 41 minus 9 iota upon 41. So this came in the form of a plus iota b. Second we have to find conjugate. Conjugate जानते हैं इसका opposite sign, that minus है तो क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस हो जाएगा. So conjugate of that will be 40 upon 41 plus 9 iota upon what will be 41. Second part came that, दूसरा part आ गया. Now third part asking that what is the third part is asking that modulus we have to find that. Yes, so here that is conjugate of this came that. Now modulus we have to find that. So for the modulus as you know that under root real is part square and imaginary part square. That so real part what will be 40 upon 41 square and 9 upon 41 square for the modulus. Now for the conjugate, 40 upon 41 plus 9 I upon 41, that will be equal to under root 40 upon 41 square plus 9 upon 41 square. Yes. Now what will be here, that to simplify you'll find that is equal to under root 1600 upon 41 square plus 81 upon 41 square. Add this, that will be equal to 1681 upon 41 whole square. No need to find the square of 41 because that is under root. Already we can find the direct result. This will be 41 whole square upon 41 whole square. Cancel, that become that 1 because under root 1 square root of 1 will be 1. So our result came here. Modulus of this will be equal to 1. So 3 question was in this, 3 part was in this question that the student had completed. So let's take one more question. Now student, question number 36. Two complex numbers given that z1 is equal to 2 minus iota, z2 is equal to minus 2 plus iota. Find imaginary part of this. You have to find that. There will be 2 parts, real part and imaginary part. We have to find the imaginary part. That. So first here, imaginary of z1 into z2 upon z1 bar given. Z1 bar means that a conjugate of z1. So conjugate of z1, what will be that? क्या होगा? Conjugate of z1 will be 2 plus iota. That is 2 plus iota. So we have to find imaginary. First we find that z1, z2 upon z1 bar. So we can write here z1 into z2 upon z1 bar equal to z1 value 2 minus iota, z2 value minus 2 plus iota whole upon z1 bar means that conjugate of z1 what came? 2 plus iota, 2 plus iota, right? Now multiply it. So what will be here? That minus 4 plus 2 iota minus plus 2 iota and minus iota square upon 2 plus iota. Yes, check कर लीजिए. 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 2 into iota, 2 iota minus iota into minus 2, that became the 2 iota minus plus minus iota into iota, iota square upon 2 plus iota. See, this looking plus plus will be 4. So we can rewrite it minus 4 plus 4 iota, 4 iota. Here iota square is equal to minus 1. यहाँ minus 1, if you put that minus into minus what will be? Plus. तो यहाँ पर लिखिए आप प्लस ओवरऑल अपॉन 2 प्लस what? Iota. Minus 4 plus 1 what will be? That will be minus 3 plus 4 iota, right? Minus 4 plus iota is equal to minus 3 and 4 iota upon 2 plus iota. Yes. Now what you have to do? That first rationalize that, multiply by the conjugate of that, what will be? So that we can write yes, multiply minus 3 plus 4 iota 2 minus iota upon 2 plus iota into 2 minus iota. Okay, we multiplied by the conjugate of this, 2 minus iota, 2 minus iota. Now what you have to do? अब तो आप कर सकते हैं. Open the bracket. This also open the bracket. Now let's check it. What is coming that? Minus 3 into 2 minus 6 minus minus plus 3 iota plus 8 iota and minus 4 iota square overall upon a plus b, a minus b, that will be 4 minus iota square, right? Now that will be equal to minus 6 plus 3 plus 8, how much? 11 iota, ठीक, माइनस यहाँ क्या होगा? आयोटा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस 1 आयोटा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू -1, यहाँ पर -1 रखेंगे, माइनस माइनस व्हाट विल बी प्लस, so it will be equal to 4 plus 4 upon 4, here minus and -1 what will be plus, no correct है ना, -6 plus 4 what is equal to -2 plus 11 iota upon 5, right? So that will be equal to -2 upon 5 plus 11 upon 5 iota, yeah. But asking here, questioning that imaginary part of this, तो इसका ये क्या वैल्यू आया, व्हाट इज दिस, दिस इज केम ऑफ वैल्यू z1 z2 upon z1 bar is equal to -2 upon 5 plus 11 upon 5 what iota. But asking you have to find that imaginary part of this. Imaginary part of this, what is that? Yes, so we can write imaginary part of z1 z2 upon z1 bar is equal to 11 upon 5. This is the answer. Hope that concept is clear there. So student, these was the question for today. So few more questions I will give next day. Thanks all of you. Enjoy.